Whoa, it's the illusion reporting from somewhere on spaceship Earth. It's an actual rainy day in Southern California, dude. So as you can imagine, in the land of eternal sunshine, everything's chaos today. So we're gonna go poke around. First things first, let's look at our driveway. The drain is super clogged and I can't seem to unclog it because I don't know where that pipe goes. It's down to about half as full as it was earlier. And we got my pool pumping kit coming into handy. It's officially like raining. We don't get that much around here, especially this time of year. So that's nice. Look at that. It's official. Brake lights. Wow, look at the raging creeks. You don't see it like that very often around here. It's an official rainstorm here in sunny Southern California. Holy smokes, man. That's pretty official, dude. That's pretty official. I'm giving it, look at that log. Just, where are these logs coming from? Look at that. Follow the log. Wow, dude. Oh, it is officially like a storm these mountains haven't seen in a while. Look at that. Watch out for falling rocks. That must have just happened because the road scraper just went through a couple minutes ago. See, it's a lot of this, just rocks in the road, all over the place. Proceed with caution. This is where it usually slides, but they fixed that all up a couple years back. Sign that says it all, flooded. Look at that. It's water, man. Water on the road. Post 10, where are you? It's a job for post 10. Oh, look at this, dude. We have cars that have been underwatered. Here we are at Leo Creo. Power of water. Oops. Not a great place to park your car. Not a great place to take a dump either. Here we are at the bridge. PCH Leo Creo. Power of water, baby. Look at that. It is flowing. There is some water moving around here. You don't see this very often around here. I'll give you that. This is officially some water moving around. So much for trying to dictate where the creek goes. It's fully taken over. It's determined that it wants to be here today. Oh, I got it. There's a bunch of people like camping back in there. They got jacked up. Look at that. Interesting. You can see all their motor homes way back in there. So much for your New Year's headaches. Jeez. Creekside camping spot. Bonsall Creek. Look at that sandbar. Dude, there's almost waves. The conditions are, if there was actually swell, I'd be out there, man. Dirty and mucky as it is. Look at that. Look at that sandbar getting built right there. That's a beauty. Oh, wait, what's this? Look at that. Here's a wave. Oh, look at that. Spitter, dude. Oh, sick. We love this. We love this kind of action, dude. Look at those just brown holes. Is he gonna get out? He's out of there. You gotta have some of this. It wouldn't be complete without some of this. Oh, it's just a lifeguard making trouble. We got the big toys out. Lots of mud there, baby. Looks like they've officially shut down the highway over here. One lane down. This is where it's at. A lot of flashing lights, directing the traffic. Road closed, baby. Well, it's been reduced to one lane here on Malibu Canyon. Let's see what we got going on. A little bit of a delay, but that's okay. I'm just scooping up the road. Oh, there it is. It's big enough. Stay dry, brother. Stay dry. There it is, man. Look at that. Big old chunk of hillside came down. Booyah. Get the scooping. Scoop. Final stop on this rainy day to get some blank t-shirts. Order your t-shirts, links down below. Or that, smash that like button if you like this channel. Spread it around, get some. If that gives you an idea how much it's raining, the whole driveway's flooded, and got the trusty sump pump working. Every garage should have a sump pump.